Welcome to the Strategic Operational Briefing for Semper Suds Precision Laundry Service. We are built with discipline and operated with pride in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Our core mission is to provide a premium laundromat experience without the premium price. We bring military precision to an industry desperate for structure, ensuring a safe, comfortable, and efficient experience for our customers. Our operational architecture is built on 3 pillars. First, veteran-owned integrity, rooted in military discipline. Second, eco-efficient operations, using state-of-the-art, high-efficiency equipment. Third, tech-enabled convenience, featuring secure mobile payments and app-based services. The Command Center in Fredericksburg, Virginia, is our 4,500 square foot flagship facility. It targets local communities, military hubs, and the VA hospital. It is a meticulously clean environment, offering free Wi-Fi, modern vending, and a family-friendly lounge. Our ecosystem of efficiency focuses on a premium customer experience. This includes disciplined operations, wash and fold logistics, and modern tech integration. This interconnected loop ensures efficiency drives down costs, while discipline and tech drive customer retention. The membership matrix provides predictable recurring revenue through tiered household access. Our Diamond tier offers the most benefits, including extended hours, a 15% wash-dry-fold discount, and balance forgiveness. Semper Suds is a community asset. Through the Hero Protocol, we offer an exclusive Hero bonus across all services and memberships for verified military, veterans, first responders, law enforcement, and teachers. Our ethos is service, honor, cleanliness. We are now mastering the mission with a pivot to expansion. We identified a massive gap between average and elite operations. Our next objective is offering limited consulting to help others deploy our discipline framework and build laundromats the right way. Our consulting flight path covers 4 key stages: intelligence and recon, strategic blueprinting, tactical layout, and ground operations. This comprehensive approach ensures successful development and deployment of premium laundromat services. Join the mission. Whether you are seeking early access to our Fredericksburg facility or strategic consulting to build your own, reach out to the Command Center. You can contact us via email or phone shown here. Thank you for viewing this video.